I'm 30 weeks pregnant with our first baby boy, and we are not doing a nursery. Instead, we will be room sharing with him, most likely for the first year. I figured it was time to get our room in order for him. We ordered his personalized blanket. Yes, that's his middle name after his dad. We have so much to get done before he gets here. I ended up just transferring OBGYNs because our last place had blood on the floor from the previous patient that they never cleaned up. When I went back a week later, it was still there, so that was a cause for concern. So now I'm at a new doctor. We just had an ultrasound, but unfortunately, baby is so low into my hoo-ha that they can't see his head, so they weren't able to get an accurate read on his brain. So hopefully it's functioning okay. Just to be cautious, they're sending me to a high-risk clinic to do further testing. He's already 4 pounds and feels like he could fly out of me at any second, which I never experienced with our daughter. So I said, James, let's get our shit together because who knows when he's popping out. I finally ordered the matching nightstand for James's side. We took the dresser that was originally here and put it against the wall where our TV is. This is going to be baby station. We're going to put his changing pad up here, his diapers, all the baby essentials. He will be in a bassinet next to our bed. I've been doing research on all of them, but if you have one you love, please let me know. I'm leaning between the 4Moms or the Halo bassinet. To be completely honest, it's hard for me to find a care about anything, let alone home decor right now. So I haven't added any personalization to our room since we moved in. So I'm finally adding some pictures, trying to make it feel homey and cozy for when he arrives. My nesting mode has been slowing down. Pregnancy insomnia has been kicking my butt. So tired. I feel swollen, ugly, gross. My body hurts. We're just ready to meet our son. I cannot wait for this new chapter. I'm going to organize his clothes next, so come back.